Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar, working assistant professor in civil engineering department in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today my topic is discuss about WSM versus LSM. So what is WSM? WSM is working stress method and LSM is limit state method. This method is used in RCC design. So discuss about this method. So first is working stress method. This method is totally based on elastic theory. In this is assumed the concrete and steel are the elastic, and the stress strain curve is linear both for the both steel and concrete. In other side is limit state method. This method is based upon the actual stress strain curve of steel and concrete. In this method, for the concrete, the stress strain is non-linear. Second difference is in working stress method. In this method, the factor of safety is applied to the yield stress to get the permissible stress. In LSM, in this method, partially safety factor is used to apply to the get design value of the stress. Third one difference is no factor of safety is applied for the loads in working stress method. But in limited method, design load are obtained are multiplying partial and safety factor load to the working load. In limited method, in next difference is working stress method, extra margin of safety is used for the safe of the structure used in working stress method. In this extra margin of safety is also not because it is a design method. Next difference is this method is thicker section, so less economical. But LSM method it is more economical. It gives the thinner section of the structure. And last difference is this method is assumed actual load, permissible stress, and factor of safety are known. So this is known as deterministic method. And in LSM method, this method is based upon probabilistic approach and which depend on the actual data of the experience. So it is called non-deterministic method. So this is the difference between WSM and LSM. So thank you.